Hey, welcome. This is John Russo from Palm Beach Customs. I'm sitting here with Adam Katz and just finished a 78 Jeep CJ7 build. We're going to walk you around real quick. He's just going to tell you about how it was dealing with us. And go ahead, Adam.
Hey, well, I called John back a few months ago. I got a great feeling over the phone. And the next day I sent him a deposit to start building my Jeep, and it came out just as good as I thought it would. It's perfect.
Awesome, Adam. Thank
Gorgeous. You. This was my dream car when I was a kid. I
Awesome.
finally got it.
Wicked. All right, we're going to walk you around real quick and show you a little tour, all right? So 78 CJ7 actually came from California and has a V8 304 with the 4-speed. And we totally took it apart and rebuilt the engine and the tranny and all the mechanicals, and we did a 2.5-inch lift, and we put the Rugged Ridge Zero shackles on there, so there's no lift on them, but they're a lot heavier duty than the originals. And Adam chose the Rugged Ridge front bumper with the winch. And this is the Anvil Gray that you see on the new Hellcats and the new Jeeps. Real nice color. We went with the black satin. We did the 304 with the Eldenbrock intake and Eldenbrock cam, a mild cam, and along with a quick fuel 600 CFM carburetor with Hedman headers. Complete rebuild on all the front end. Just walking you around. And we put AC, Jeep Air. We put the Jeep Air conditioning kit in it, so it has full air with the best top, soft top. And the Rugged Ridge rock hard rear bumper with the Skyjacker, the lift jack with a spare tire. And really nice stance. We got 33s on this thing for tires. We got the BFG K2Os. And we went with the two-tone seat package. And you'll see that the dash was all redone. There's the air conditioning. And we did the spray-on bed liner on the floors with the Tuffy box with the Alpine stereo in there. So yeah, it came out nice. Very happy with it. It's a fun project. And let me shut this door here. And we appreciate you. And we'll see you on the next build. This is John Russo and Adam. Have a good day.
Take care.
All right.